Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later. When we're talking about new sensations from the skills that we're skating, in this double 3-turn on 2 feet, we're experiencing some of our first continuous traveling rotation, which is going to set us in good stead for when we start to learn twizzles later on in our stages. So, as we set up for our first turn from forwards to backwards, we rotate the body to face into the circle and perform our first turn, same as always. Now we're going to be looking at turning the upper body slightly outside of the circle in readiness for the turn on our heels, but we need to make a slight adjustment with our feet in order to make our second turn to forwards. So if we take that one more time, a little bit more in real time, skating in, facing in the circle, turning first turn, shoulders and body turn, rotate through the heels and arrive forward. So this will be our first stage footwork. We have outer foot ahead, then we rock to the ball of the foot, and then we're going to move that outer foot to come behind, ready for the turn through the heels from backwards to forwards. As we check this demonstration of the whole body view, let's remember the goal of this exercise is to start to develop a feel for the full rotation feeling whilst we're in motion, whilst we're traveling across the ice. So the turns want to try to connect quite quickly to one another so that we start to gather that sensation. And this foot pattern progression will really help. So we're going to put our focus on the following foot in this demonstration. As we rock, it's going to move around behind the heel of the opposite foot, immediately arriving backwards and ahead in time for the turn from backwards to forwards. The difference is subtle but effective, and we can see it here side by side. Let's see if you can guess which is which.